Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write an essay about my favorite teacher, especially for elementary school students. Now, this is a very common topic in school. Many students are asked to write about their favorite teacher, but sometimes they don't know what to say besides, "She is nice," or "He is good." So in this video, I will guide you step by step. I will explain what to write in each paragraph, why it is important, and how you can add your own ideas without just copying the sample. Let's go step by step. Check this out. Introduction, paragraph. Introduce your teacher. First, let's talk about the introduction. In this paragraph, you introduce your favorite teacher. You tell the reader who the teacher is, what subject he or she teaches, and why you like him or her. Keep it simple and clear. Remember, this is just the beginning of your essay. Now listen carefully as I read the full sample introduction. My favorite teacher is Mrs. Brown. She teaches us English at school. She is kind, patient, and always has a warm smile on her face. I like her very much because she makes learning fun and interesting. Let's break this down slowly. The first sentence tells us the teacher's name. The second sentence tells us what subject she teaches. The third sentence describes her personality. The fourth sentence explains why the writer likes her. This is a very good introduction because it gives basic information and a reason. Now, how can you elaborate this part without copying? You can. Mention how long she has been your teacher. Describe her appearance in a simple way. Explain how you felt when you first met her. For example, you may write, "She has been my teacher since 4th grade. She has a gentle voice and friendly eyes. From the first day of school, I knew she was special." These ideas help you make your introduction longer and more personal. Second paragraph, how she teaches. Now let's move to the second paragraph. In this paragraph, you explain how your teacher teaches and why her teaching style is good. Here is the full sample paragraph. Mrs. Brown explains lessons clearly so everyone can understand. If a student does not understand something, she explains it again without getting angry. She always encourages us to ask questions and do our best. Because of her, I enjoy studying English more than before. Let's understand this clearly. The first sentence talks about how she explains lessons. The second sentence shows that she is patient. The third sentence shows that she motivates students. The fourth sentence tells us the result. The student now enjoys English more. This paragraph is important because it shows not just that the teacher is nice, but that she is a good teacher. Now, how can you add your own ideas here? You can. Give an example of a lesson you enjoyed. Describe how she helps students during class. Explain how she changed your feelings about the subject. For example, you may write, "She uses simple examples to make difficult topics easy. She walks around the classroom to check our work. Before, I was afraid of English, but now I feel confident." These details make your essay more interesting and real. Third paragraph, fun activities and lessons. Now let's move to the third paragraph. This paragraph talks about activities in the classroom. Here is the full sample paragraph. She also tells us interesting stories and sometimes plays learning games in class. These activities make our lessons exciting. She teaches us not only about grammar and reading, but also about being polite and respectful. Let's break it down. The first sentence talks about stories and games. The second sentence explains why these activities are good. The third sentence shows that she teaches important values, not only subjects. This paragraph shows that the teacher makes learning fun and meaningful. Now, how can you elaborate this part? You can. Mention your favorite game in class. Talk about a story she told that you liked. Explain a lesson about kindness or honesty that she taught. For example, you may write, "My favorite game is a spelling competition. She once told us a story about never giving up. She reminds us to say thank you and sorry." These extra details make your essay more colorful and personal. Fourth paragraph, her care. Outside the classroom. Now we move to the fourth paragraph. This paragraph talks about how your teacher cares about students outside lessons. Here is the full sample paragraph. Outside the classroom, Mrs. Brown cares about her students. She listens to our problems and gives good advice. She treats everyone equally and never shows favoritism. Let's understand this clearly. The first sentence tells us she cares beyond teaching. The second sentence shows she listens and gives advice. The third sentence shows she is fair to everyone. This is very important because it shows her character. Now, how can you add ideas here? You can. Describe a time she helped you. Explain how she supports students during school events. Talk about how she encourages shy students. For example, you may write, "When I felt nervous about a test, she encouraged me. She cheers for us during competitions. She helps quiet students feel confident." These ideas make your paragraph stronger and more meaningful. Conclusion. End your essay properly. Now, let's talk about the conclusion. The conclusion is where you summarize your feelings and end your essay nicely. Here is the full sample conclusion. In conclusion, Mrs. Brown is my favorite teacher because she is kind, helpful, and inspiring. I am thankful to have such a wonderful teacher, and I will always remember her lessons. This paragraph repeats the main idea and expresses gratitude. Now, how can you elaborate your conclusion? You can. Say how she inspires you. Mention how she helped you improve. End with a hopeful or thankful sentence. For example, you may write, "She inspires me to become a better student. Because of her, I try harder every day. I hope to make her proud one day." So that's how you write an essay about my favorite teacher for elementary school students. Step by step, paragraph by paragraph, and sentence by sentence. Remember, do not just copy the sample. Use it as a guide. Add your own experiences, your own feelings, and your own teacher's name. That will make your essay unique and special. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to tell us about your favorite teacher. Thank you so much for watching writing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next lesson.